There are a handful of different materials that windows are made out of. Each one can be good in its own right. Vinyl windows. Big pro on vinyl windows is that they can be affordable and low maintenance. Vinyl windows offer good insulation, but they can be less durable in extreme climates. As you know, Colorado can tend to be a more extreme climate. That said, there are some high quality vinyl windows that you can put in your home, save on some cost, really improve the energy efficiency. Just understand vinyl in a climate like Colorado's is gonna have a shelf life. Composite windows are made out of a blend of wood and resin type of products. The reason people will go with composite is that you get increased durability while still saving on the cost of the window. Composite windows tend to be more expensive than vinyl, but also can give you increased durability and design options, better flexibility there. You're gonna get about the same energy efficiency. A stronger, more durable product than composite windows would be a true fiberglass window. Fiberglass windows, you're going to get extreme durability and energy efficiency. Fiberglass windows do come at an increased cost, but with lower maintenance and higher durability. You're really gonna get that longevity out of a fiberglass window. You're going to get that energy efficiency. The durability factor is off the charts. But again, sometimes you're gonna get some limitations when it comes to design and aesthetic. If the design and aesthetic is something that's really important to you, wood-clad windows are gonna be the best option. We call them wood-clad because they have a natural wood interior for aesthetics and insulation, while the exterior is clad in a more durable product, like aluminum. That aluminum could be roll-formed or it could be extruded. Both options are available in Pella's beautiful wood windows. We have the Pella Lifestyle line and we have the Pella Reserve line. Wood-clad windows may require some maintenance, but that maintenance may be minimal depending on the window line that you select. Wood-clad windows tend to be higher in cost, but really also increase that beauty, that aesthetic of the window, and they are good for historic homes as well. So that's a comparison of wood windows, composite windows, fiberglass windows, and vinyl windows. All four windows can be really good options depending on your home, depending on your needs. Call Bellwether. We would like to come out, meet with you, discuss what your needs are, and make some recommendations for you when it comes to replacing the windows in your home.